actually started cooking when I was about 8 years old.
Okay.
I think the first thing I successfully cooked on my own was a grilled cheese.
Okay.
I did the grilled cheese, and I sliced the cheese and had the bread with the butter. All the steps that I knew how to put them all together, and then warm the skillet up and put the butter in the skillet, and it was real quick, real easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that was probably my first thing I can remember. And the crazy thing is I always loved dipping it in some other sauce. So I would dip it in barbecue sauce, or I dip it in ketchup, or even sometimes ranch. I dip it in ranch.